Today, I will show you how you can rank your YouTube videos by making good titles, descriptions, and tags using AI. First, you have to go to the website. Then you need to register. Click Register. Give here your full name, email address, and country, and then make a password and confirm it. Then agree to the terms and conditions by clicking and finally click on Sign Up. Then to your Gmail and confirm the mail. Then log into the account. Now, I am logging on Penwiz AI. Scroll down and click Video Cues. Here you can see video descriptions, video titles, YouTube tags generator, and video script. I am clicking the option of video description and there is a box, what is the title of your video? I already copied my video title, pasted the title here and clicked generate text. Within some seconds the AI gives me a good video description. Like this, I can easily make my video title and description and get the YouTube video tags. The sites is mostly helpful to rank a YouTube video generating the right title, description, and tags. I have given the website link in my description box below on the video. Thanks today.